Question. P.S. A rectangular solid has a total surface area of 384. The rectangular solid is made up of n small cubes of volume 8. What is the largest possible value of n? Solution. We are told that a rectangular solid has a total surface area of 384 and are asked to find the largest possible number n of cubes of volume 8 that can be used to form the rectangular solid. A rectangle with sides x and y. X and y equals 4 times 4 equals 16. A square with side 4. A rectangle with side 6 and 2. X times y equals 2 times 6 equals 12, which is less than 16. This is a very important theory. The area is largest when it is a square. That's why you should buy square-shaped land when purchasing land from a real estate agency. Let's begin by thinking about the relative perimeters of squares and rectangles with the same area. Say we have a 4 times 4 square and a 6 times 2 rectangle. They both have the same perimeter, which is 16, but the area of the square is 16, while the area of the rectangle is 12. This means that when they have the same perimeter, the area of a square will always be bigger than the area of any rectangle shown as above figures. Similarly, if they have the same total surface area, the volume of a solid cube will always be greater than the volume of a rectangular solid. The same logic applies here as well. It should be a cube. In order to find the greatest number, n, of small cubes that will fit inside the rectangular solid, the rectangular solid must be a cube as shown above. Going back to the question, if the rectangular solid is a cube of side length a, we obtain the equation 2 times of whole a squared plus a squared plus a squared equals 384 for the surface area of the cube. Simplifying this equation gives 2 times 3 times a squared equals 6 times a squared equals 384. So a squared equals 64, and a equals 8. The volume of this cube is 8 cubed. The question is asking for the number of small cubes that will fit inside this cube. So we need to divide 8 cubed by 8, which is the volume of each small cube. This gives us n equals 8 cubed over 8 equals 8 squared equals 64. This is a mid-40 level question, so make sure you understand how it's solved. Thus, A is the correct answer. Answer A.